Welcome to visit Chill English Flow channel for learning English conversation. Jack and Soph here. Thank you.
Welcome to Chill English Flow. If you want to learn English in a relaxed and natural way, you're in the right place. My goal is to help you improve your English.
I was just on a video call with my friend who's traveling through Southeast Asia. He's in Cambodia right now.
Oh, that sounds incredible. Where is he now?
He's in Phnom Penh, the capital. He was telling me all about the city, especially the people.
Phnom Penh. I don't know much about it beyond its history. What did he say about the people who live there?
That was the most interesting part. He said the first thing you notice is their spirit. It's something you can feel everywhere.
Their spirit? What do you mean by that?
He described them as incredibly resilient. Considering the country's difficult past, he said there's this amazing ability to look forward with hope.
So, resilience means they can recover from difficult situations and stay strong.
Exactly. He said there's a sense of optimism and a focus on building a better future that was really inspiring to see.
That's a beautiful way to describe a city's population. It must give the city a special energy.
It does. He mentioned the hustle and bustle of daily life. The city is constantly in motion.
Hustle and bustle. So, very busy and active.
Totally. The streets are a constant flow of motorbikes, tuk-tuks, and people going about their day. It's a real sensory experience.
What about their personality? Are people generally friendly to visitors?
He said they were incredibly warm and welcoming. Even if there was a language barrier, people would always offer a smile.
That's so lovely to hear. A smile is a universal language, after all.
For sure. He also noticed a strong entrepreneurial spirit among the people.
Entrepreneurial? So, a lot of people are starting their own businesses?
Yes, exactly. Everywhere you look, someone is running a small street food stall, a family-owned shop, or a little cafe. There's a real drive to create and build something for themselves.
That connects back to the idea of being resilient and forward-looking. It's about taking control of your own future.
I think so. He also mentioned that life seems very community-oriented.
What did he mean by that?
He explained that family ties are incredibly strong and neighborhoods feel very connected. It's not uncommon to see multiple generations living together or helping each other out.
That's quite different from many big cities in the West, where life can be more individual.
Right. There's a sense that people genuinely look out for one another. It's a very collective mindset.
So, if you had to sum up the people of Phnom Penh in 3 words, based on your friend's description, what would they be?
That's a good question. I'd say resilient, welcoming, and industrious.
Those are powerful words. It sounds like a city with a lot of heart.
Definitely. Hearing about it has made me really want to visit myself someday.
Me too. It sounds like a place where you can learn a lot just by observing the incredible spirit of the people.